Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix any Windows Update error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first method that we're going to do here is go to the search bar. So go to the search bar at the bottom left corner and then type right here Troubleshoot. And then once you type Troubleshoot, we can go to Troubleshoot settings. Now here on the troubleshoot settings, you must go to other troubleshooters. So click on other troubleshooters option. And then right from here, you need to go to Windows Update and then click on the run button. So it may takes up to 5 to 7 minutes and just wait. And then once you've done right there, you just need to restart your computer and go back and try to update your Windows. Now let's go to the second option, which is System File Checker. So we need to go to CMD and then click on Run as Administrator. And then from here, as you can see the command prompt, so just type here SFC space forward slash scan now and then click on enter. And then here you must wait up to 10 to 15 minutes. And then once you've done right there, you just need to restart your computer and again try to update your Windows. Now let's go to the third method, which is fix the Windows file. Go back to CMD, click on Run as Administrator, and then here on the administrative command prompt, we need to type right here DISM and then that exe and then space forward slash online. Then again, space forward slash, need to type cleanup image or cleanup dash image and then space forward slash restore health and then click on enter. Now once you've done right here, need to just wait for a few minutes. So this is a great way on how you can repair your Windows. So once you've done, restart again your computer and try to update your Windows. So that's how you basically fix any Windows update error on Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.